Hello traders, this is DFXS. Welcome to TFX family, and I believe that guys you are doing great. All right, in this video we are going to learn how to receive the reversal signal. This is a very important topic, especially for those people who are trading manually using our RENKO manual system, which is TFX Nairobi manual EA. So I'm gonna take you through every step, but it's very simple even when it comes to use this system because it's almost the same as a TFX RENKO Sniper. The difference is for this one, because it's a manual system, you only need to take trades by yourself or take trades manually, but from there the EA inside the manual system will take care of you are running trades, and every analysis, everything, it will be done by the system. After doing a proper installation, it's very simple. Let's say, for example, this system now, it's unlimited. You can trade whatever, anything or any symbol provided in MT5. So it doesn't matter which broker you are using and which platform you are using. This system is unlimited, and therefore you can trade whatever you want to trade, whether you want to trade volatilities, anything you want to trade in your platform. This system will take care of that. So it's unlimited system, and it's very simple because it is you only attach the files, then analysis and everything, it will be done by the signal. Don't forget by the system. Don't forget the system has the signal generating program. So this means that it will generate the signal, and it will alerting you when to buy and when to sell. So your work, when it tells you to buy, you just click buy. When it tells you to sell, you just take sales. But now let's learn uh, on how to receive reversal signal. So I'm just picking randomly pairs, currencies pairs, because I think this one use currencies pairs. All right. And we have even gold here. This tells you that whatever you want to trade, even if you want to trade all the currencies, it is still the same as a RENKO Sniper. So all you need to do, it's very simple. You just pick RENKO file, nothing else, nothing more. So there is no, oh, I don't know how to set it. I don't know how to use this system. To use this system, it's very simple, and it is the same as RENKO Sniper. So you just pick a RENKO file, you attach to anything that you are trading. So this is an example of what you can do. So don't forget, you can attach all of them, all right? And you just wait for the signal. It will alert you, it will pop up, it will tell you when to buy and when to sell. Then from there, after receiving the signal, it is very simple. You use this button to sell and this one to buy, if the system tells you to buy or to sell. All right. So it's very simple to use this system. So if it is to buy, it will tell you to buy. You click this buy. If it is a sell, it'll tell you to sell. Then you click this button of sell. That's all. Anything else, take profit, stop loss, everything, the system will take care of that. So even you don't have to worry about the lot size that you are supposed to use. The system is programmed to make sure that you trade with proper money management. So the only thing you need to do, you set it the same we are setting the EAs. You set a start balance. This is very important to set your start balance here. So if you have $500, you just set here $500 as your start balance. If you have $1,000, you just set here $1,000 as your start balance. Then on our VIP, we have the form of money management. So if it is 500, you just come here and pick a 0.05. That's all. And once you have done this, you no longer need to do that another time. From there, the EA will increase the lot size when it's needed or when it's required according to the growth of your or of the account. If you get another money outside there and pop up to that account, don't change anything. This you only do this once when you purchase the system, or you just tell us your balance, then we set for you once and for all. One is done, guys. You no longer need to do anything. All right. You no longer need to do anything. You just save save the template by replacing the Nairobi Renko template. Simple as that. So whatever again you are trading now, you no longer need to set anything. You no longer need to set anything. You'll just come and pick now Renko file. So it's very simple to use this system. You don't need more information on how to use this because it is professional and universal program. You don't need to do anything except what I've shared with you, right? Only that thing, and you are good to go. Now, let's learn about the matter of this video on how to receive a reversal signals. So some will ask, what is this reversal signals that maybe you'd like to receive it? We all know, for instance, let's even give a example with this GBP USD. As you can see, it was a buy entry, all right? But when the market reached almost even beyond 50%, 50%, it is the middle of our weekly high and our weekly low. So when the market reached at this point, you can see the market reversed almost to our entry point, not almost to our daily. Even we had a false breakout, the false breakout that people used to sweep people's liquidity. This is what they use as a liquidity. You know, people only think that liquidity is only when you see these weeks. No, even this false breakout, it is to wipe people's stop loss, then the market reverse. So this means that sometimes because you're trading manually, you'd like to receive a signal in case when the market reach here and there is a strong reversal, to receive a sell, a signal, even if it is an up trade. All right. So it can be an up trade like this one because the market should go up, but in the middle of the market, the market can reverse again to test your demand zone at this point. Then the market can go up even to our weekly high. So it is good to understand that this system, it's a universal and you can get whatever you want with this system. So learn about what I'm trying to say here. So let me again attach gold here again to see if we can have the same, even if you're trading gold, you use the same file. All right, it is simple. It is a reversal. So there is a good also, because here it is let's go to GPP again. I think I saw a very good example. This one was a buy market. All right, being a buy market, reached to our 50% in the middle of the week, because this is like the middle of the week or in the middle of the weekly high and low, then the market reverse. But when we go to gold again, you find that the market was selling, all right, and again after reaching below our 50% again, then the market reversed. And remember, because this is a Renko system, you can use this also to receive those signal, because it can be very, very profitable, because sometimes market must not reach to this point. And you can see on our all-in-one order block, because we call it all-in-one order blocks because there are three order blocks combined here. So this is the signal from three major and reliable order blocks. So you can see in the in this area, we get the buy signal from our order block. All right. So the signal is not the signal because that you'll receive after reaching into 50%. No, it is because if the order blocks agrees that there is a strong reversal, even if it was a downtrade, then this tells you the order block can give a signal of a buy. So from there, if you go to your to our RENKO file, then you get that this time around, the market is rising, all right? The market came to this way. As you can see, we are coming from this resistance, weekly high. Then we banked from here because this is our entry point, all right? Then the market reversed. All right. After reversing, attempt to sell, again to sell, but the signal was given is the signal of a buy. If you were using a 50% signal or a reversal signal. So that is what we are calling the reversal signal, because that is the area whereby we can rely on that reversal, because it's like a change of game. All right. So you can see then the market went good, and we would have buy here combining with this order block as signal. So remember, there's nothing to analyze because that is the work of the EA. All I'm showing you here, it's on how to set if you want to receive this signal. And it is very, very easy. How? You just right click and you go to indicators, all right? You double click to this, our TFX zone handle, all right? Then this is the setup of a weekly high and low, and you can see we have HL or high and low retracement or retracement. So here it is where you only need to set 0.5, whereby it is a 50%. So if I click OK, simple as that, you can see it has underlined the line here where our 50% or a retracement is. So after having this line, all right, you can save the template, simple as this, and replace it to a RENKO file, because it's very, very important to understand on how to get those results. So from there, guys, we go here to our EA again, all right? And I've been telling you, whenever you want to make any change for any of our system, you first replace the template, you pause algo trading, you double click here in this corner for the EA, all right, like this one is the manual. Now we are going to set our high and low of the EA. This is where we are. All right, this is our high and low. So you can see it is the same name, high and low retracement. So here again, we are going to set 0.5. This tells us now it's liming, or if it will happen in any case, then we can receive that signal. Then from there, we replace the template and we are done. So whenever you want to trade now, you just come and place your file. You already know that you will receive the signal for a strong retracement. And remember that the EA is the one that will send the signal. So even if it can reach here and there is no other detectors that have agreed to buy, so this means that it won't send the signal. Then you can check at this corner, it's telling us we should buy what we call gold. All right. So even to trade gold or any other currencies, it will be very, very easier. So let's go back now to our GBP USD and replace that file. And as you can see, if we go back here, we already have our 50% at this area where the market reached again. And when it comes down, then it can give us this a good buy. It's very, very simple. So at that moment, it doesn't matter whether we have a resistance at this point, it will still buy, because now we are buying according to the reversal or the strong reversal. So it will ignore our supply at this point, or a demand zone at this point, to tell us inside the game there is a strong buy, then we can rely with that buy. So don't worry about that, because it will pop up the signal here to tell you buy or sell. So using this system, you don't need to do anything except what I'm sharing with you. You don't have or another special setups of the signal. No, there is no special settings. Everything will be done by the EA inside this manual system. So it is good to keep that in mind, so that you don't ask for more information or more settings or more setups. There is nothing else to worry about. From there, you just wait, you relax, you connect terminal with your phone so that you can get the text, or you can connect with your email so that you can get text alerts or email when to buy or when to sell. Then after buying, let's say for example, if you have buy this trade or you have sell this trade, you relax. You don't need to do anything else. The only required law is that the algo trading must be activated. And always remember to be sure that you have activated the algo trading in the right way. You just go to option, all right? Option, you go to expert advisors, makes the allow algorithm trading must be checked, and also allow the DLL and also web request. You must allow these two boxes. Then after that, you are 100% that you have activated the algo trading or auto trading automatically, and there is nothing to worry about. So it is simple as that. Don't do anything else. Don't start, oh, I want to analyze. No, you can just do that if you want to do so. To confirm, here you can see we have a buy signal here, and if this point says so, then we can buy. But as you can see here, we have a sell. But if we click now our file here, because we have a 50% here, all right, you can see it's telling us to sell. If there is a buy signal, it can tell us to buy. But this time around, it cannot tell us to buy, since now, all right, I do believe you are getting my point, how the market have reversed beyond our 50%. If it has reversed beyond this, it cannot give us. The only thing it needs, it's when the market is here down, so that it can agree with what is happening on a Renko chart. So when again the market passed this way, unless we have another order block at this point, it cannot tell us to buy. So it can only tell us to buy when the market is crossing our 50% line or our retracement line. Let us use the retracement line. So when it closes the retracement line, that is when you can get a signal, but only if there is a buy signal on your Renko chart, because it cannot just give you a candle signal at this point. It cannot just tell you, okay, now you can buy because we have closed the retracement area. No, it must line with what is happening on our Renko chart. So if it close here and then the market start going up like this point, let's check, like for instance, the market started reversing from 26th. All right, this is NZD. All right, so if we go here and check where the date 26th was, so that we can see this is where the 26th was. So this tells us that at this point, on date 27th, this is when we received a buy signal. All right, this is when we received a buy signal from date 27th. So this tells us that when the market closed this line, you cannot get received. So this means that to trade this reversal, because this market came and did not touch our weekly low, then the market reversed. So we cannot just say we are there to rely on with only sell. No, even this now, at this time, we can buy this market. Why would we buy this market? Because when the market closed that area, all right, then there was a signal on date 27 when this market was totally confirmed that now it can go up. And that is when the Renko said, now we can go up. So you can see how simple and perfect it is to trade even retracement. And that's how you receive retracement signal. Remember, with this system, Renko manual system, it will pop up, right? It will send the alerts, or it will pop up the alerts on when to sell or when to buy. It's very, very simple to use the system because it's just plug and play. So the basics I'm showing you here, it's only all you need in order to understand on what to do if you want to receive a reversal retracement. And if you don't want to receive the retracement signal, then you don't have to change what I have changed, so that you can trade. Your trade can be only based on a weekly high and low, so that you have nothing to do with any retracement. But that is your choice, all right? Because by default, there is no that trading retracement. But in case if you want to do that, it is still profitable, since it is not only the candle, because you can see if it was the candle and you placed here buy because you have closed the retracement. So, oh, now I can buy here because I can see everything is confirmed. This is where we get a what we call a false breakout and false signal. Because let's say, for example, someone was relying only with candle. It is very clear at this time. You can see in our retracement, you can see the market came and retested there, and you can see there is a sweep of liquidity. So this tells you that you can buy this market. Again, the second thing to deceive people, it is about the order block that we are seeing here. We have a clear order block at this point, right? Very clear with this candle here. I know I'm talking to people who understand also the SMC. So at this point, you can see we have a clear order block, all right? A very, very clear order block to deceive SMC traders. And you can see the market came, sweep people's stop loss or liquidity, then market went up, then there is a good retracement here, and market deceived us like it's going up. What do you see here? We see like we have a breakout candle, the candle that breaks the internal structures. Then someone would have placed buy and say, oh my, I'm going to ride this, but the market reversed to this area. This is why the Renko system is so powerful, and this is the reason as to why I gifted people, those people who purchased SMC this morning. I think today I wake up a very, very happiest guy. Guys, I gifted everyone who purchased SMC Sniper EA with this, with our Renko Sniper for free. That's how I am, because I need, or I want everyone to make money. And because we don't want anything like false signals, this is why I dedicated myself to this work to make sure we deal with any manipulation. You can see there is a manipulation here. And when working with this system, you have seen the signal was only this signal was only given on date 27th, all right? After every manipulation, this is where our signal was. It is very clear after trying to manipulate people here, then the market goes up. And this sell we are seeing here, this sell that happened on 24th, it is the same sell we are seeing from this point. All right, then we drop from this area, all right, and it is a very, very clear signal. A very clear signal when you combine this signal with the Renko. So it filtered every noises at that point and give us a clear signal to make sure that we are not, we are no longer going to lose any money. You can see the EMA. All right, the close of the EMA at that point, the change of our order block, in this magenta, then sell and the market drop. And that is exactly what is happening here after avoiding anything like manipulation in this area. So using the combination of candle and the Renko, this is a life changer. The last thing that you should not forget, it is to check your broker's spread, because that is very, very important. Because even if we can have a signal, let's say, for example, the other place to check is here. Say it's neutral. Neutral is when we don't have a signal, but here we have seen we have a buy signal. The reason why here it's neutral because of our look back of Supreme. So let's do this in order for you to see the importance of checking your broker spread, because it's very, 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 very important. Very, very important. So we are going to check where Supreme, so that we can have a look back, because we want to check this signal from far so that we can set it correctly. So let us see if it will give us now a buy signal. Can save this. It's an example, right? We just want to see the signal, because some of you must see the signal and if it will pop up to give you alert. So it is good also to do this. Let me do this for the purpose of class, for you to understand. We are looking for this signal so that it can tell us to buy. Now, yeah, good. You can check now the signal here. The type is rise. Rise means buy, fall means sell. So whenever you see here rise, it's telling you to buy, and when it gives you a fall, meaning a sell. But you have seen there is no any signal. It hasn't give us or alert or pop up the alert. Let me clear here so that because it must pop up alert. So what is the reason of that? Everything is confirmed a buy signal. But why there is no alert? You are not supposed to buy or to sell because it has tell you to rise. It's a up trade. This is up trade to buy. When it is neutral, there is no signal. But when it's rise or fall, fall means sell, rise means buy. But we are not, so this means everything now has line. In our zone handle, it's telling us to buy, all right? And our, what do we call it? Our Renko chart tells also us, or the EA tells us here to buy, but there is no alert, because what you are supposed to wait, it is the alert to pop up, to tell you to buy, or alert on your phone. Something is missing, even if everything is telling us we should buy. And that is spread. Because if we go to gold here, you can see spread here, it is 37. And by default here, you'll find that the spread is 10. So the problem is here. So this is the reason as to why you must check your broker's spread. So here being like 37, I can give it the maximum of 50 points. For example, if my broker gives from 30 points, I think I should give it like 50. 50, it's not that bad, all right? So again, I can click OK. Just want to show you the power of this system. You must buy only when there is alert. So let us delete this and wait now to see if it will give us alert with a sound, right? A sound to tell us buy. Remember, we are checking this signal, so it's not here, but we are checking here. So it should tell us to buy, because now we have correct. You see, we have correct the spread. Now it can tell us buy. All right, you can see buy gold, and the level, that level is here. So that is the reason as to why you must check your brokers, what? Spread. It's very, very important, so that you don't miss any opportunity, because when trading this, even if you're using Renko Sniper, you must check your your spread, or else signal will be there, but it won't pick any signal. All right. And don't just maximize, don't just allow it to go with a big spread. Maximize. If it's like this one, you can assume it's from 30, you can give it 30 to 50 or 30 to 40. That's all. So that when it's beyond 40, let's say if we have set 40 points, if it's beyond 40, it cannot send alert, neither can it buy or sell if it is the EA, because we don't want to risk, because they manipulate market even through spread. That's tactics that you should understand about their spread. It is the something like you're seeing here, GPP card here. It is with 17 points, and sometimes you'll find it is less than 10, right? So if it's less than 10, you can give it to 10 or 15. If it is from 17 and above, you can give it like 20, all right? To make sure you maximize your spread. So even if you are using manual, make sure you set that in order to receive a signal. So you have seen it has pop-up, all right? So, and you are good to sell or to buy now. So don't just follow here, so right, so I should buy. No, wait for the signal to pop up. And I believe that is very, very correct. And as I said in our last video, that it's my advice for every trader to make sure you have our RENKO system, either manual or a RENKO sniper. So you can have the Nairobi manual EA or the RENKO sniper. And this is the reason as to why I gifted people who purchased our SMC sniper with our RENKO sniper for free, because we have to make money, and in Forex market, there is more than enough for all traders. So guys, make sure you reached us also on our Telegram, because we have your gift. Only 2 days remaining. Oh my, I wish you were there. There is a gift there for all members on our Telegram. So if you are our subscribers on our YouTube channel, my friend, don't hesitate to follow us on our Telegram before date. First, get it today and get your gift as a loyal member. And trust me, you will enjoy this journey with the TFX family. So guys, that is a very, very simple video, and with very important information that you really need to know. So with that and many more, expect more, and let's bank money together. My friend, I choose for you a RENKO system. We are the best in this system, because let us not rely with only candles. Let us combine candle and RENKO. And remember, our RENKO is unique. It's not just a RENKO. So thank you so much, guys. And once again, welcome to TFX, our family. Thank you.